Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. Checking out this chair here. This is a gray one. Okay friends, here we are. Oh, it's comfortable. My headrest is like perfectly right behind my neck there. Rotates flawlessly. If I don't want the arms up, I can just put those up out of the way and have more space here. Put them down easily, no crinkling sound. If I want to recline a little bit, this pulls out and I can just kind of rock back and forth. If you don't want it to, just push this in. If you want to lower your chair, press your thing, go up. If you want to lower it, just press it and go down. Really comfortable, actually, my friends. Super cozy. If you're doing a lot of office work and you need, and this can be adjusted too, just from sitting here. Just push this up or down. A little bit of lumbar support depending on where you want that, and that can fit nice. Just feel like this chair was like made for me here. Okay, my friends. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.